What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. If you're a Tesla investor and you're curious whether the EV market is heading, this is the right place for you guys. So today we're diving into the hot topic, why Elon Musk's new American party could be a game changer for the Tesla stock in the long run. Yes, guys, there's a lot of drama lately and the stock has been super volatile. And there's plenty of noise right now, but I'm here to break it down and let you guys know, and I want to make this bold claim that might set up Tesla for a massive win down the road. So grab your coffee, hit the like button, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the American Party and why is it causing such a stir right now. So early July 2025, guys, Elon Musk announced the formation of the American Party, a new political movement born out of a public feud with President Donald J. Trump. It really is about the massive tax and spending bill, guys. And this bill is, among other things, which is phasing out the electric tax credits, and that could save Tesla about $7,500 per car. And Elon Musk called it a political suicide because he said that it's time for our party to actually care about the people. Elon Musk isn't new to shaking things up, but launching a new political party, that is next level. The American Party here aims to be centrist, meaning it's in the middle. And they are trying to focus on science-driven data focus, and they focus on innovation, technology, and critical policy that support industry like electric vehicles and space exploration. Musk said that the party would likely start small and would target a few Senate and House seats to gain leverage. Sound ambitious, right? But here's the kicker, guys. This move could have a huge impact on Tesla's future, so let's break down why. Short-term pain, long-term gain. So let's address the elephant in the room right here. Tesla stock has been taking a beating lately, and since the American Party announced, share has dropped 5% due to Musk's feud with President Trump and threatening to lose EV tax credit. Posting on X shows that investors are nervous with some of what Musk is saying, and they think that Musk is politically distracted, and which could hurt Tesla focus in the long term. So they're not wrong. Short term, this is very risky, and Tesla sales dropped 13% year to year in Q2, partly due to the boycott tied with Elon Musk and his political stance. So currently right now, guys, Tesla is up $1.2 billion annually according to some estimate. But here's where you might want to zoom out a little bit. Tesla stock has always been a roller coaster ride, down 25% this year alone and nearly 300-fold since their 2010 IPO. So volatility is part of Tesla's story. The American Party, while disruptive now, could be a strategic masterstroke for Tesla long-term growth. How? Let's dive into 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, the American Party could shape policies that keep Tesla ahead and competitive. Right now, the EV market is getting super crowded. Traditional companies like Ford and new companies like Rivian are pouring billions into electric vehicles. Meanwhile, Trump bill threatened to glut subsidies that make electric vehicle affordable. If American Party gain a handful of seats, Musk could push the subsidy and he could propose rather a abrupt cut. What this means is that this will give Tesla time to adjust pricing and maintain demand. More importantly, the American Party could advocate for a broader pro-EV policy, like expanding supercharging infrastructure, streamlining regulations for autonomous vehicle. Tesla betting big on robotaxi program and currently being tested in Austin, Texas. If Musk's party can influence states and federal rules to favor self-driving tech, a first mover advantage could translate into a massive profit. Imagine a world where Tesla robotaxi dominates cities, backed by policy, and American Party could help craft that. Long-term value creation. Reason number 2, the American Party could help Tesla brand its brand. Let's be real, guys. Musk's political move, like endorsing far-right parties in Europe, clash with Trump's and have alienated some of its customer. And as of June 2025, the poll shows that 50% of US adults view Tesla as unfavorable, including 30% Republicans. So he's not doing himself a favor. So that really hurt sales in Europe too. So delivery were down 28% in May in Europe, guys. But the American Party, with a focus on science, technology, and politically neutral stance, could reposition Tesla as a forward-thinking brand for anyone, not just one side of the political side. By championing innovation, partisanship, Musk could win back moderate and progressive buyers who love Tesla's mission but dislike the recent political baggage. A strong brand means strong demand, and that directly boosts Tesla stock over time. Reason number 3, Musk's political influence could open new doors for Tesla. Love him or hate him, Musk is a master at getting attention. The American Party give him a bigger platform to shape the public and investor sentiments on X from fans like on X. People on X suggest that while Party create a short-term noise, Tesla focus on AI, autonomous tech will drive its future. Regardless of politics, they're right. AI is the future, and Tesla is leading the charge with the full self-driving tech. And if American Party gained traction, Elon Musk could negotiate deals or partnership that benefit Tesla, like securing bipartisanship support for EV infrastructure, or even SpaceX contract that indirectly boosts Tesla tech development. His ability to play kingsmaker in a polarizing political landscape could give Tesla a competitive advantage for years to come. So guys, there you have it. There are 3 reasons why the American Party in the long run could help Tesla stock shape pro-EV policy, rebuild the brand, and leverage Musk's influence. Yes, the road is pretty bumpy and Tesla faces a lot of challenges from subsidy cuts and sales slumps, but if history taught us anything, it is that betting against Elon is a risky move, and the American Party might be a boldest bet yet, and one could send Tesla stock soaring in the long run. What do you guys think? Are you guys bullish on Tesla despite the drama, or are you waiting for more clarity? Drop your thoughts in the comment, and let's not forget to subscribe and comment below and hit that notification bell for a more deep dive into Tesla and EV market. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good one.